Hi, good morning. This is Chester, your AIA Life Planner. So for today, I'll be explaining to you how to navigate your My AIA account. So right now, I am here sa website or sa My AIA account ko. So if you have logged in on your My AIA account, pwede nyo siyang buksan on your computer, on your iPad, tablet, cell phone, wherever you want to open it. So, ayan. So, for today's video, I'll just explain to you how to navigate um, your My AIA account. So, para lang you will know better no kung papaano nyo siya i-utilize no. So with my AIA account you can easily check on your existing policies, and then you can also pay here or file a claim. So yun yung mga that's why we have this account, so that hindi na tayo mahirapan in terms of doing that. Ayan. So right now, nandito ako sa dashboard ng my AIA account ko. So we are here sa homepage. So as you can see on the top left corner, so we have the tabs like the home, my policy, AIA vitality, health, profile, and then on the right side, we have this one that is for the FAQ or frequently asked questions and the help center. And then we have the notification and the log out button. So kung i-scroll nyo siya sa baba pa, so you can see that we have eto. Yan. So with regards to your policies, yan, pwede na kayo magbayad dito, make a payment. Yan, financial calculator if you want to in terms of getting another insurance possibly. Yan. So dyan nyo siya makakalculate like for educational plan, for retirement plan. So kung magkano ba yung kailangan nyo pang insurance, health insurance, mga ganun. So we have the file a claim. So dito na nyo na rin pwedeng i-file to. And we also have update contact information, update payout options if you are expecting something in return, no? Yan. So we also have the My Policy Summary. Yan. So dyan lang nakalagay lahat ng mga policies nyo. So you can check the premium amount due, premium due date, yan, policy numbers, and the status, no, if you're still paying for it. And we also have the health and wellness tips. Yan. So if gusto nyo magbasa-basa, no, ng mga blogs, blogs, yan, pwede nyong basahin yan. And then we also have the products and promos, no, na pinopromote ni AIA. So that's the homepage. So we also have the My Policy tab. So dito naman nakafocus siya dun sa mga policies nyo, no? Ayan. So when you click on view details, which is hindi ko muna siya gagawin because I want to explain it further sa susunod pang mga video. So this video, it's more of like making or helping you navigate and kumbaga itutur ko lang kayo sa My AIA account nyo, no? So we also have important reminders. Yan na yung mga na-receive nilang payment, no? And then manage policies, no? Update policy information, payout options, no? Very important updating policy because lalong-lalo na if you are from being single, now you are married, no? Kailangan nyo nang i-update yung, if you are a girl, kailangan i-update yung name mo. And then also the beneficiaries as well, no? kailangan palitan nyo na rin yung beneficiaries nyo. And then payout options, yan. So the next one will be the AIA Vitality. So if you have a policy that has an AIA Vitality, or if you are planning to get an AIA Vitality, ayan, here you can check all the discounts and perks na meron si AIA Vitality. Yan. But if you want to apply for, sabihin natin wala ka pang AIA Vitality but you are a plan holder and you want to get this one, you can ask your financial advisor to get one, because AIA Vitality is an exclusive health and wellness program ni AIA, exclusively for AIA plan holders or BPI AIA plan holders. Ayan. So we also have the health tab, in which yan, you can update your health data here. And then for the Get Better, we have the breast health check, no? Yan. So this is for women, very, very good, because at least you have a chance to know if you have a breast cancer or not. So it's more of like a preventive measure ni AIA. And we also have the mental wellness. No, if you are looking for something, a resource, online resource, or health professional support with your mental wellness, you can check on this one. We also have the profile tab. So dito na yung you can manage on your okay. I need to verify, no? So medyo maano lang si AIA in terms of this one, kasi nga, you know, on the digital age, kailangan yung security natin is secured. Yan. Good thing na rin yan para at least safe yung inyong mga policies, no? Yan. So, ganito lang din. So, more of like information with regards to your policies. And then, manage account. So, if you want to change passwords, account setting, and about AIA Philippines, yan. Pwede na rin kayo mag-log out dito, other than this one na pwede rin kayo mag-log out dito. Yan. And on the right side, we have the FAQ, no? And the help center. So if you have a question na possibly, no, madalas talagang tinatanong, you can check here para lang you don't need to email AIA about your concern. Pwede nyo na lang basahin dito. Or if wala talaga doon yung tanong nyo, you can contact AIA. So via chat with AIA. So I believe this is through Messenger. And talk to us about finances if you don't have financial advisor, no? But if you already have a financial advisor with AIA, doon na lang kayo mag-set ng appointment. But then you can use this if ever you don't have any other financial advisor. So you can also send AIA a message through email. Yan. And if wala talaga, you can call their hotline dito sa mga numbers na to. No? Ayan. And then we have the notification here. Yan, mga ano lang to. Yan, kapag nag-bayad na kayo, or yan, mga ginagawa nyo sa account nyo. No? And log out. So, ayun. So, ayun lang. That's it for the My AIA tour. No, at hopefully na ano niyo na yung inyong kumbaga you have a glimpse of anong meron sa My AIA account nyo. Yan, di na kayo mahirapan. But if you have any other question, you can chat me, you can message me, or if you can also ask your financial advisor for assistance. As much as possible, um, sa financial advisor nyo kayo magtanong palagi so that they can help you. So that's it. Thank you once again for watching and bye-bye.